Hello, once again. Welcome to our conversation about insurance. Thank you for smiling when you heard insurance. Yes. Once again, thank you for smiling when you heard insurance. So let's go into it. I've stepped out and I've had very positive feedback from everyone that I've spoken with. There are people who have genuine concerns about insurance, which is valid. And there are people who do not know about insurance. I'll take them one after the other and then we can go into it. Okay. So the first thing that I notice is that people do not know that insurance is a means of generational wealth. So there are certain families right here in Ghana who have protected their generational wealth with an insurance policy called a life plan. So that as soon as every member of the family turns 18, that person is signed on to a life plan. What does the life plan do for the family as a whole? So if you have a family of say 5, so mom, dad, and 3 kids or 3 children, what happens is that all family members are on a life plan. So mom and dad, let's peg their age to be somewhere around 49, 54. Both parents are on a life plan. They are paying substantial amounts, could be 1,000, could be 2,000, could be 5,000. Please, you get it. Could even be 10,000. Now the young ones who have turned 18 are also on a life plan. Now the good thing about it is that when you are young, the premiums you pay are much lesser than someone who is old. So an 18-year-old will be contributing somewhere around 200 cedis, 300 cedis, 400 cedis, and maximum probably 500 cedis. Now what does that do? The same 5,000 or the same 2,000 that daddy and mommy are contributing, that will give them the family a sum assured of 500,000 cedis or 300,000 cedis or even a 200,000 cedis. That 18-year-old who is also a family member would also have the same sum assured. So this is what happens. You have generational wealth in the sense that should any member pass on, the family receives 200,000 cedis or 500,000 cedis. So imagine this. Unfortunately, God forbid, daddy passed on. Maybe daddy encountered an accident or by natural means, daddy passed on. Family receives 300,000 cedis. You realize that the trajectory of the family in terms of finances is not drastically changed. Please, you get it. So that has to do with generational wealth. So at every point in time, there's money at home. Also, the life plan normally takes place after 10 years. So if you contribute for 10 years and nothing happens to anybody, what happens is that the monies that you've contributed, we refund it to you as your savings. So if you were contributing 1,000 cedis a month for Kojo, who is 18 years now, by the time Kojo turns 28, 10 years has elapsed and the policy has matured. So we will multiply the 1,000 cedis by 10 years, that's 120 months, and we give the monies back to Kojo. If at that time Kojo is not gainfully employed, Kojo could use that one as a startup capital. You see how excellent this is. Again, I'm saying that people here in Ghana are practicing this as I speak with you. Sometimes you meet clients and they tell you that, oh, I'm on policies. I have several ones. I'm even contributing 2,000 cedis a month. Please, you get it.